What if I told you the next financial revolution won't be led by banks, brokers, or even Bitcoin, but by artificial intelligence itself?
60, ChatGPT 4 is 155.
So it's almost Einstein.
It's almost Einstein.
Does it get to a point, Amica, where robots have rights?
We're entering a new era where algorithms are not just managing money, they're creating it, investing it, and controlling how it flows across the world. The middlemen who once ruled finance are being quietly replaced by intelligent systems that don't need permission, rest, or regulation.
So this is a pretty momentous week for your sector, cryptocurrency and blockchain, because
This isn't speculation, it's already happening. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is dismantling the old financial system, replacing human decision makers, and reshaping the very meaning of money in ways most people still don't understand. The end of traditional banking, banks were built to manage trust, to hold your money, process transactions, and decide who deserves credit. But artificial intelligence is rewriting that model entirely. Algorithms now evaluate risk faster, detect fraud more accurately, and process loans instantly without human bias or bureaucracy. Digital wallets and decentralized protocols can already perform everything a bank does, only cheaper, faster, and globally. As artificial intelligence continues to automate credit scoring, lending, and investment decisions, the need for human bankers is fading fast. The question isn't whether banks will evolve. It's whether they'll survive a system that no longer needs them to function. Brokers and advisors are being replaced by code. The traditional financial advisor is becoming obsolete. Artificial intelligence-powered trading systems can now read global news, market data, and investor sentiment simultaneously, creating investment strategies that outperform most humans. Robo-advisors powered by artificial intelligence manage portfolios automatically, adjusting positions based on millions of signals. They don't sleep, charge lower fees, and learn from every decision they make. For everyday investors, that means Wall Street-level intelligence is now available from your phone. The power that once belonged to financial elites is becoming accessible to everyone. And the broker, once essential to profit, is slowly being coded out of existence. Bitcoin's disruption meets a new challenger. Bitcoin changed money by decentralizing it. Artificial intelligence is changing money by intellectualizing it. While Bitcoin removed central banks from the equation, artificial intelligence is removing human emotion and inefficiency altogether. It can analyze global liquidity, predict price shifts, and even create self-adjusting digital currencies that stabilize automatically. Unlike Bitcoin's static protocol, artificial intelligence systems can evolve with the economy. In other words, crypto created digital gold, but artificial intelligence is building digital intelligence that can manage gold, trade it, and multiply it on its own. This isn't just the next step after crypto, it's the upgrade that could render it obsolete. Smart money that thinks for itself. Money used to be passive. You stored it, invested it, or spent it. Now, it's becoming intelligent. Artificial intelligence allows money to move where it's most efficient automatically, from savings to investments, from cash to assets, from risk to reward, without human input. Imagine funds that reallocate themselves daily based on global data, or currencies that hedge their own volatility in real time. Smart money won't need bankers or investors to manage it. It will self-optimize, self-learn, and self-grow. Once artificial intelligence fully integrates into financial infrastructure, money will stop being a tool and start being an active, autonomous system. Autonomous finance, the system that runs itself. The artificial intelligence doesn't just make financial systems smarter, it makes them self-sustaining. We're now seeing the rise of autonomous finance, where machine learning handles lending, trading, compliance, and even auditing. Smart contracts execute agreements automatically, while artificial intelligence oversees performance and risk. It's a world where entire financial institutions could operate without human oversight. Think of it as an economy that runs itself, one where every transaction, investment, and decision happens faster than humans can comprehend. By 2030, we may not just interact with finance, we'll live inside an ecosystem that thinks and evolves on its own. The death of financial gatekeepers for
How would you describe this current moment in AI, machine learning, whatever we want to call it?
centuries. Access to wealth flowed through gatekeepers, banks, brokers, and regulators who decided who could invest, borrow, or grow. Artificial intelligence is breaking those gates open. It empowers individuals to trade, lend, or earn without intermediaries. Through decentralized applications powered by artificial intelligence, users can build credit, analyze markets, and access global finance without permission. This shift doesn't just create opportunity, it redistributes power. The authority once controlled by a few financial giants is now being rewritten into algorithms accessible to anyone with a connection. The age of gatekeeping is ending, and the age of open, intelligent finance has begun. How artificial intelligence is redefining trust. Money is built on trust, and artificial intelligence is redefining what trust means. In the past, we trusted people, bankers, accountants, auditors. Now, we trust systems that don't lie, forget, or panic. Artificial intelligence verifies transactions, audits financial records, and enforces contracts without bias. Combined with blockchain, it creates trustless systems, financial ecosystems where verification replaces faith. This evolution removes the weakest link in money-human error. It's not about believing someone anymore, it's about believing the code. For the first time in history, trust isn't emotional or institutional. It's mathematical, automated, and intelligent. Predictive economies and algorithmic policy. Artificial intelligence isn't just running markets. It's starting to run economies. Governments and central banks are using it to forecast inflation, model interest rates, and even simulate recessions before they happen. Imagine an economy fine-tuned by algorithms that learn from every financial cycle. Taxes, subsidies, and welfare could all be managed dynamically based on real-time data. This means national policies may one day update as automatically as your smartphone's software. The human guesswork in economics, often driven by politics or emotion, could soon be replaced by machine precision. The invisible hand of the market is becoming a visible algorithm of intelligence. Digital currencies that learn and evolve. Traditional currencies are static. They respond only when central banks act. But artificial intelligence can create adaptive currencies that respond to the world automatically. Imagine a digital dollar that adjusts its supply to stabilize inflation, or a global token that rebalances exchange rates using real-time trade data. These currencies wouldn't need human intervention, they'd maintain balance on their own.
We've been AI first for a while, so putting all that together and bringing it to our products.
Some experiments are already underway, from smart stablecoins to algorithmic monetary models that learn and adjust autonomously. By 2030, national currencies may not just be digital, they'll be intelligent, merging monetary policy and artificial intelligence into one living system. The collapse of human financial authority. When artificial intelligence makes better decisions than humans, authority begins to shift. CEOs, fund managers, and policy makers are being replaced by data models that outperform them consistently.
Very excited about sort of the prospect of what AI could mean. I was very stunned even at that point.
This transition is uncomfortable but inevitable. The financial elite who resist automation risk extinction. Those who embrace it gain leverage. Human expertise is valuable, but human limitation is costly. The institutions that survive will be those that merge human creativity with artificial intelligence precision. The ones that don't adapt will fade, not with a crash, but with quiet irrelevance, replaced by systems that never make the same mistake twice. The moral question: who controls the machine? As artificial intelligence takes over finance, one question grows louder: who programs the priorities? Every algorithm reflects human values: who gets approved, who gets denied, who profits, and who's left behind. The danger isn't artificial intelligence itself, it's who owns and directs it. If financial intelligence remains concentrated in a few corporations or governments, we risk creating a new digital oligarchy. The true revolution will come only when artificial intelligence financial systems are decentralized, transparent, and accountable. Money shouldn't just be smarter, it should be fairer. The challenge is ensuring that artificial intelligence doesn't just replace banks, but improves what they failed to be. The future of money is alive. The future of money won't be printed, mined, or minted. It will be designed. Artificial intelligence is turning money from a static store of value into a living network of intelligence that evolves with every transaction. It will trade itself, protect itself, and grow by learning. Banks, brokers, and even Bitcoin were just steps towards something bigger, a self-aware financial ecosystem. The transformation is already happening quietly beneath the surface. The next wave of wealth won't be managed, it will be intelligent. And those who understand that shift early will be the ones shaping the economy of tomorrow. Artificial intelligence isn't coming for your job, it's coming for your bank. The systems we once trusted to manage our money are being rewritten by algorithms that think faster, act smarter, and never sleep. Whether that's exciting or terrifying depends on how ready you are for change. The financial world is evolving, and the smartest investment you can make right now is learning how artificial intelligence thinks. If this opened your mind, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos uncovering how technology is rewriting wealth, power, and the very future of money.